How to mute audio during your Zoom meeting. What you do is you see this audio up, this audio icon, you just have to click on it like this. So if it has a cross, it means it's muted. If it's active like this, it's not muted. So you just have to unmute. You just have to click on it. If you click on it, it brings that cross. That means it's muted. If you click on it again, it unmutes. If you want to remove the video, you just click on the video icon. Okay, the video will be crossed. Okay, if you want to activate the video again, you just have to click on it, then the video will be activated. So that's how you mute audio during your Zoom meeting, and also that's how you can remove the video during your Zoom meeting. Sometimes you want to kind of silence the audio temporarily. Maybe you are picking a call or someone is calling in your room and you need to mute. That's how you can do it. Okay, see you in the next video, and bye bye.